Today is Saturday, 31st of January, 2026. I haven't done a public video in a very, very long time. I thought I'd come out and share a couple of things with you. There are two things I want to go over today. One is the shiny object, and then I have a couple of things to say about Mr. Mufara that hopefully you'll want to hear. I want to start with the shiny object. I'm Mike Ellis, by the way. I want to start with the shiny object. How sweet it is. I know people are getting a little frustrated with Mr. Mufara, and because of that, they're starting to look at those shiny objects out there. And when they look at them, they look at it and they go, wow, how sweet that is. And it's sincere. And what I thought I would do is I would come in and look at a couple of the programs that people are going into. And by the way, most of this stuff comes by my desk. I see most of it. But I wanted to go into one of them and just see what they're doing. And see if they're legit, if they're real programs, and you can actually make a little bit of money with it. So I actually picked a program. I went in and I joined. Not with the intent of doing the program, just to see what's in there. And as I got into it and I started looking around, and I'm not going to tell you which program it was. I'm not going to tell you the niche. I'm not going to tell you the market. But this is what they're doing. And they're very, very good at what they do. And by the way, this is a very, very large niche. People are coming in and they're listening to the sales pitch, and it gets them very, very excited. And the sales pitch is very, very good. But you're not going in, doing the due diligence, and looking at everything you need to look at. And this particular program, as I looked at it, they have 6 ways to Sunday to steal your money. And it is layer upon layer upon layer upon layer. And really, you can't get through all of it. They're very, very sophisticated in what they're doing. And it looks all legit. But the way they can steal your money, excuse me, not only can they steal a little bit of money, they can steal a lot of money. And there are people coming in that put in a little bit, and then you have those individuals that come in and put in a great deal. And I'm not talking about hundreds of dollars. I'm talking about thousands of dollars, $5,000, $10,000. And because of what these individuals have done, the way they've set it up, they can literally take your money and it's legal. Okay? That's why the due diligence is so important. And when you come in and you look at these shiny objects, in the back of your mind, you're going, boy, how sweet this is. Most of the time, it's not. Now, the only way to really tell if this company is real is time. That's it. 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years. That's the only way to tell if they will be real in the long run. But here's my experience with this type of company. It's pretty good for 2-3 months. The 4th month, they start to falter a little bit. By the 6th, 7th month, they start to pull the rug out from underneath you. And by the 8th or 9th month, they've taken your money and they are gone. And this is legal, by the way. They can do this and do it legally, keep your money, and it's game over. So my recommendation for those individuals that are looking at shiny objects, do your due diligence and do it really, really well. This company that I went into, I looked at it for about 10 minutes and I knew, no way, this is not real. They will not last and they will take your money. I just knew it because I'd been in things like this before. Not as sophisticated as this one, but I'd been in them before. And again, there are 6 ways to Sunday that they are going to steal your money. So all I'm saying is just be watchful. Do your due diligence. Make sure whatever you're doing, it's real. And a lot of times it's really hard to tell that. Let me talk about Ash Mufara for just a little bit. There are a lot of people. They're frustrated. Mr. Mufara hasn't been out for a couple of months to talk to us. And their feathers are ruffled, right? Maybe you're one of them. Get over it, okay? And I'll tell you why. When I look at what Mr. Mufara is doing right now, it smooths me. Why? Why? The first 6 years that I followed Mr. Mufara, they were really, really good years. And he came out and he talked to us all the time. Even when he was sinking, just trying to stay above water to make things work for you and I, he was always very positive. He was always coming out. He was always talking to us. And at the end of that 6-year period, what did we have? We had nothing. Now, I understand what happened in that 6-year period. Most of you do too. Most of you do too. It wasn't Mr. Mufara's fault. But in phase 2, it's different. Really is. Mr. Mufara isn't about coming out and giving us words. He wants to come out and give us relevance. And that's why when Mr. Mufara is quiet, he's not talking to anybody, he is in the business of building a business for you and I. And that's why when I think about Mr. Mufara right now, what he's doing, how he's doing it, I'm at peace with what he's doing. I have no problem with what he's doing at all. I don't know when he's going to come out. It could be days, could be weeks, could be a couple more months. I don't know. But what I do know is when he comes out, he's going to have something significant for you and I. It's not going to be like phase 1, where it's talk, shut it down. We don't have anything. Again, I understand why that happened. I understand what he went through. It was not fun. It was not good. But he was smart enough to go an alternative route for you and I over time, and he will come out and talk to us. But right now, you really have to understand what's happening. He's not talking to us because he's not ready to give us what he has. And when he's ready and he says, yeah, I'm going to come out, we're going to talk Tuesday or Wednesday or next month, whatever he says. When he does that, understand it is going to be significant. Do I know what he's going to say? I don't. There are a few people that talk to Mr. Mufara. I'm not one of them. He's busy enough. He doesn't need to talk to me. I know what he's doing. I'm at ease with what he's doing. There's no turmoil within me. He doesn't need to talk to me. And when he comes out, I know it's going to be significant. That's it. He does talk to a few people, and that's a good thing. I know he doesn't talk about the business to him. It's more a social thing, and that's terrific. He's got good friends within our community that he talks to. When he comes out and talks to you and I, it's going to be the real deal. It's going to be significant, and I don't think you're going to be disappointed. So, shiny objects. Be really, really careful, guys. It didn't take me long to find this one shiny object, and it was junk. Mr. Mufara, he's spot on point. He's building a business for you and I, and he's not giving us any fluff. When he comes out, it's going to be the real deal, and it's going to be significant. So I just wanted to come out and give you a live video. I haven't done one for a couple of months. I have been doing some private ones for my organization. As Mr. Mufara comes out, I don't think it's going to be that long. I'll have more to say, as a lot of people will. I think stay excited, stay tuned in, stay focused. I've planted my flag with Mr. Mufara. I'm not moving it. Why? Because the concept hasn't changed. And if we can come in with what Mr. Mufara is going to be introducing to us and change lives, I'm good to go, and hope you are too. That's it for today, guys. Have a great weekend, a great week next week. We'll see if he comes out next week. But if he doesn't, it's okay. He's working. And from there, yeah, we're going to be patient. We're going to wait for Mr. Mufara, and when he comes out, it's going to be a good thing. That's it. Have a great day, and we'll see you at the top.